My name is Justin Rule. I'm the founder and CEO of LaunchKits.com. We've built over 700 websites for people just like you across the country. We're the highest rated website design company in the United States, and we have a proven 5-day process to create the perfect website. If you want to know the cheapest way to build a website, I have 3 ways for you to do it. Number 1, cheapest way to do it is on your own. You can use Wix, Weebly, Squarespace, GoDaddy, and you can trust yourself to be the expert in SEO content, image optimization, code optimization, local SEO, domain sourcing and registration, and indexing and updating your own website. That's the cheapest way to do it. But it costs the highest commodity, which is your time. And I'm assuming that you're probably not an expert in all of those things I just mentioned. The second cheapest way to build your website is to hire someone who is a friend of a friend who works in their basement, who doesn't have anything else to do, and sure, they'll build you a website for exchange for a couple pizzas a week. You know what? Funny story is when I started my business, I actually went to a pizza shop when I was trying to build my portfolio, and I told them, I'll build you a website and it won't cost you a thing. But every Friday, I want to be able to order 2 deluxe pizzas for my house for the next year. Fact, they said yes. That was one of my first websites I built, and they had really good deluxe pizza. In fact, their business, Rose's Pizza, was so good that 3 years later, it was bought out by another company. So, you can hire someone or trade or swap to build you a website, but in a year or 2 or 3, they may not be there. So you run a big risk there, and you better hope they are the expert in all of those things I just mentioned: local SEO, organic optimization, platform optimization, speed, hosting, security, updates. The third cheapest way to build a website is to call my company. For under $1,000, we can design, write, customize, and build a website for you so that you're found number 1 with a Google business profile and number 1 by your name with an organic search website showing up. Guess what? We provide all the optimization to be found for local search, the best practices for Google. You're going to look great on every website platform, mobile phone, tablet, desktop. You're going to feel proud of what you see when you look at your brand online. And for under $1,000, it's the best deal online. There's a reason we're the highest rated web design company in the country, and we've launched and actively manage over 700 websites for people around the world. We are in 6 countries because we have a proven method to create a perfect website. The simple version is we study certain types of businesses and build our own templates proven to work, that when you call us, we then find out what's the best fit for you. How do we build this out for your brand and your audience, saving you tons of time, tons of money, and tons of worry, because we're building based on a proven framework. So if you want the cheapest way to be found online, trust us to be the experts. I have writers here on staff in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, designers, developers, support staff, all right here. We're not working with people overseas. We stay right here in the United States so that you know that we live and breathe and work in the same industries, in the same fields, with the same audiences that you are trying to reach. We'd be honored to help you launch. And if you're looking for a cheap way to build a website, trust the people that do it every day. My name is Justin. I'm the founder and CEO of LaunchKits.com, and I thought there was a better way to build websites than the typical agency model of 4 to 6 months and $10,000 to $20,000 in crazy monthly fees. That's why I launched this business. If LaunchKits is right for you because you're looking to build a cheap website that actually performs better than some of the most expensive websites, then maybe the call you need to make is to us. Looking forward to talking to you on the journey.